Hey YouTube, it's Captain Dave Man, and I'm here with 1999 Ford Super Duty. No start situation. I suspected the clutch switch, neutral switch, start switch, whatever you want to call it. But this is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you how to check it. This sets up here on your shaft coming out of your clutch, which pushes in on your clutch master cylinder, slave cylinder, whatever you want to call it. And when you do so, when you push in your clutch, there's a little switch in there. See that little slide? It pushes that and slides it and activates the switch. It allows your truck to start. So what I did is I made me a little U, and I made it out of these little connectors here. So what I did, I took it and I shaved it down on a grinder so they were a little thinner, because you can see where it plugs in. This is where it plugs in. They're a little thinner. So I plugged them down. I grind them down to make them look a little more that size. So what you do is you don't have to pull your switch off. Just connect the wiring harness, which is right there. Take your little wire, your little U-shaped wire. Hang on, I'm gonna put this down for a minute. So, take your little U-shaped wire and just shove it into the first two holes, the white and blue wire, the ones on the left. So what you're doing, you just can make a connection between these two wires. You see, I just shoved it into the top holes there. So that'll bypass your switch. And you go up here. Make sure your truck's out of gear, because it will, now that you bypass that switch, you don't have to push in the clutch. See, no clutch being pushed in. There it is. So, if it starts, you have a bad clutch switch, start switch, neutral switch, whatever you want to call it. So, now what are you going to do? You can go buy a new one, put it back in there, but you know what I'm going to do? I am going to take this and I'm going to snip these two wires here, the white and the blue, and I'm going to take one of these little guys and smash it on there, connecting them two wires together permanently. Or hell, you could strip it and twist your wires together and put some black tape on it and you'll be good to go. Or you can go buy a new switch. A lot of people say, "But Captain Dave, man, it's so dangerous." No, it's not. Don't be a sissy. You know what? Before the government thought they were going to be our big brothers and demasculate all the men and turn them into little baby sissy crybaby girls, beta males, we had no switches on our clutches. If you were stupid enough and you didn't know how to drive and you go out there and you try to start your truck up while it's in gear, well, you have no business driving it then, you know. That's stupid. But anyhow, that's what I'm going to do. And God day to you. Trust nobody. Question everything. Have a God day.